Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. Gorgeous, you're in the right place. Please, before you even start, if you like it here, why not hit on that subscribe button? Join the Gorgeous family. Gorgeous, please, you're going to be hearing some noise. Pardon that, because my hubby is trying to take care of baby. I don't know what they are doing, but just ignore that noise in case if you hear any noise. Okay, thank you so much.
Wanna get to know you better. 너와 함께 있으면 난 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이 to make sure.
I have something here to share with you guys. Can you guys see this? I don't know why is the color changing. See, I got something here, guys. Although I've opened it, okay, I have unboxed this, but I have already unboxed it before I remember that I'm supposed to film this. So I just filmed little part of the unboxing for you guys. You guys are going to see. I have in here a bag, and the story behind this bag, if I tell you guys, is somehow because the bag I have in here, let me bring it out. So this bag is from Hermes. Okay, let's put this aside. I'm really so excited. This bag, I've been wanting to have it for a while now. Then I was contemplating on two colors. Okay, I needed a green. I was really like, I want a green, and I needed also a sky blue, but I don't know the one to pick. I was like, hey, I told my hubby. And before I start, let me tell you guys where I got this bag. This bag, I ordered it from a website called Ted Locker. Ted Locker is a website that deals on everything luxury, anything high-end, anything designers. Just think of it, name it. This is not the first purchase. This is not the first purchase from there. Baby is crying. I don't know what. Like, my love, Papa il pleure. Il a tombé. Baby is crying. I don't know why he's crying. Okay, as I was saying, I have I'm coming. Okay, he has stopped crying. I don't know what happened. I was about going there, but I didn't go. Sorry guys for that. So I have I even forgot where I stopped. So as I was saying, I've ordered a bag from them before, and that bag I think I shared it here. I'm going to put the link on the description so you check it out. So since I ran into this website, I've been feeling myself trying to get things from there because they are so affordable. Ted Locker break the price down for you. They break the price down. Price wise, you are going to like it. If you are the type that love luxury, if you are the type that like high end, Ted Locker is for you because you're going to buy and you will buy, you will buy, you will buy, you will buy. So I'm just telling you now so that you prepare yourself. I need this bag. Okay, I said, okay, let me go back to their website to see if they have it. I went there, I saw the green one and the sky blue. I was like, okay, which one will I take? By the way, I wrote to them to tell them that, okay, this is my second time I'm coming to your website. I'm an influencer and I would love to share this with my followers, with my subscribers, with my audience. They said, okay. I said, I would be so glad if you guys can give me a discount code that I can share with them. They said normally they don't do that, but they will try to give me a discount code that I can give to my audience to shop. So they gave me 12% off for you guys. Oh, I couldn't believe it. That is to say, when you use this code CC12, you're going to get 12% off your purchase. It doesn't make bag. Anything you purchase from their website, from Ted Locker, use my code CC12 and you're going to get 12% off. When they told me this, I was so excited. I had to thank them. I was like, hey, because I want to carry you guys along. You understand? I want you guys to like still test from where I am eating, test from my food. So that is why I had to write to them, and they agreed. They gave me this 12% off. This 12%. So don't miss out. Use it. You can use it on anything on the website, anything you want, anything. It's not just bag alone. Just go there, use it. 12%. This 12% is so important, because I know how I fought so hard to get this for you guys. So don't miss out. Just use it to get 12% off. When I saw the two colors, I told my hubby, I said, see these two colors, but the green one, I really want the green one, but the green one is a little bit higher. He said, okay, you take the sky blue. I was like, sky blue, I like the sky blue, but I really prefer the green one. So my hubby said, since you cannot afford the green, then you collect the sky blue. Sorry, I had to like, okay, let me collect the sky blue. And believe me, thank God, believe me that as I received it, I was like, thank God I even collect the sky blue, because this is so beautiful. Okay, let me bring it. Let me take, okay, so that you guys can see. It's in here. Like I said, I have unboxed it before, so I'm going to put the clip of the unboxing for you guys to see. This smells so nice. It smells so nice. Oh, see it here. Hey guys, this here, this, let me take it up. It's so lovely, so lovely. Although I did the unboxing, I'm going to share the clip with you guys. You just watch it. It's so beautiful. I'm really so happy that I took this sky blue. I have a sky blue shoe that I want to pair this with. There's a way you will slay and you pair the two, you will love it. So this is the bag. See, I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this bag. Yes, this is it. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to it. Look at it. How beautiful. So lovely. The bag is so lovely. You see the details, you see everything. That is it. I just say, let me hug my bag. Don't mind me. I'm so excited getting this bag. Really, I'm so excited of the color. I'm so excited about everything. Me able to like negotiate with them and get it 12% off for you guys. I'm so happy. And when I received the bag, I was like, hey, if I tell you guys the way I was waiting for this bag, I was like, hey, it should come. And that is it. If I tell you guys, at first when I ordered a bag from them, the bag I first of all ordered from them, my hubby was like, are you sure of this? Are you going to receive it? Are you this? And when I received it, I did not waste time to like say, Ted Locker, they are the best. I need to go back. And I will be going back all the time to order more, because I'm eyeing so many things there. There are so many things there that I need to buy. So many things on my list that I need to buy. So I'll be going back to Ted Locker to get those items. And I'll be glad to share them with you guys too. Okay, I'll be glad to share them with you guys. Okay, so that is it for this video. Just watch the unboxing, and guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Before you go, like I said, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and hit on that bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much. You guys should see our gift is at the back. I just decided to put it there. I've not really done any video concerning this that is there. that bad bitch there. I've not done a video. I think I need to do a video concerning this, okay, to share with you guys. The link to this bag here, this Hermes Kelly 25 gold. I so much love it. I'm going to put the link. Then if it's not this one you want, other ones, they have so many Hermes there, or any other brand that you want, just go there, you're going to see it. So that is it, gorgeous. I will see you guys in my next one. Just watch the unboxing, how I unbox this my precious bag, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.